Welcome to Pavilion Court London, an oasis of contemporary urban living set in a vibrant locale, crafted with your comfort in mind. Step into a realm of modern sophistication with a variety of spacious studios and stylish ensuites, each designed with top-tier amenities and generous living spaces ideal for relaxation and entertainment. But that's just the beginning. Immerse yourself in the lively social spaces, including a cozy lounge, unwind amidst the greenery of the expansive courtyard with a treehouse, or challenge your friends in the games room. Stay fit and active in the state-of-the-art gym or seamlessly stream your favorites with high-speed Wi-Fi. Conveniently situated near University Campus of Football Business and Northwest London, commuting is effortless. Whether it's a quick bite at a nearby cafe like Moulin Grill Wembley or a study session at Wembley Library, everything you need is within easy reach. For groceries, reliable options such as Lidl and Amazon Fresh are just a short stroll away. Plus, with excellent transport links nearby, navigating the city is a breeze. Experience a new standard of living at Pavilion Court, London. Explore your future home where luxury meets community like never before. Visit amberstudent.com to find out more.